So I can tell you that Egba started 5-star hotel. So we are the first people that use 5-star hotel.
Egungun masquerade.
Okay, Egungun. Okay, now say Egungun will catch you. Then you say
That's masquerade. This one is no. Say no. Oh, yeah.
Mommy, what is Oro? Mommy, what is Oro?
People there. Oro is not here.
this one is not Oro. Ogugu. Akogun.
Yes, I left Lucy.
What is the meaning? What is
We used to do different festivals. Whenever they do the festival, this is the last masquerade that will come out.
this one?
Yes, they call it Akogun. You know what
This is a nice one. Used with adire material.
This one I will have everything.
This is beautiful. money. You'll be saving money inside it. Under here?
Yes, the one was between us and Itaome. Maybe you are what the woman king.
Yes.
You see,
like, do people play with this?
I'll tell you, man.
Okay.
The Egba people hid here for 3 years. 1833,
Wow.
1833. Those holes you see there, they were created at the process of blending their food items.
Wow.
As they were grounding, those holes were created. They built 5 rooms under that cave. This is lack of maintenance. We have 1 room left. So I can tell you that Egba started 5-star hotel. So we are the first people that use 5-star hotel. But it's a mud hotel.
Okay, wait, it can fall inside. You can't retrieve it.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, so we are climbing here now. So I'll be putting my phone inside. Just wow. So you're okay. Oh yeah, okay. Follow him. So we'll be at the back. You can do it. Children, follow him. Follow him first. You can do this. You can do this.
I'm behind you, Ojana. You can
do it.
Did you not see that small girl?
Hey.
Small girl.